Ever hear forensic psychologist and picture someone reading minds in court? Not quite. Here's what they actually do in criminal trials, plain and simple. First, they don't decide guilt. Judges, juries do. A forensic psychologist is an expert witness. I get called in to answer specific questions the court can't answer alone. Big one, competency to stand trial. I evaluate whether a defendant understands what's happening and can work with their lawyer. If they can't, treatment comes first, not trial. Next, criminal responsibility, often tied to the insanity defense. I look at what the person's mental state was at the time of the offense. Did a diagnosable disorder impair their ability to understand or control their actions? I don't say innocent or guilty. I explain the psychology, the limits, and the evidence. Risk assessment is another lane. I assess the likelihood of future violence or reoffending to help with bail, sentencing, parole decisions. It's not a crystal ball. Just structured tools plus clinical judgment. I also review eyewitness and confession issues. Was a lineup suggestive? Could stress, time, contamination impact memory? Were interrogation tactics likely to produce a false confession? Sometimes I help attorneys with jury selection by educating them on bias and how questions can reveal it, without profiling. How do I reach conclusions? Records review interviews. Psychological testing, collateral sources. Consistency checks. Then I write a clear, defensible report and testify. Under Dober-Frye standards, I need methods that are reliable and relevant. Ethics matter. I stay neutral. Disclose limits. Explain confidentiality limits in court-ordered evaluations. Everything can end up in front of a jury. Bottom line, forensic psychologists translate complex human behavior into courtroom-ready facts, so legal decisions rest on evidence, not guesswork. That's the job. Got questions? Drop them below.